Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Rizky 12 grades of Science 2 class. I am here to explain how to make a pancake. The first step is prepare the ingredients.
The ingredients prepared are 1 egg, 125 grams of white flour, 125 milliliters of white milk, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. After that, mix all the ingredients until evenly distributed and let stand for 30 minutes. Then heat the margarine and pour the mixture into the pan. Wait until it expands. After that, remove the cooked pancakes. Last, peel on a plate and pour a little honey.
The pancake is ready to serve. That's all is procedure text about how to make pancake. For me, thanks for watching and goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.